Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. Once again, we are going to discuss the Chiliz price prediction. What's the current price of Chiliz? What's the latest update? And you know what? In this video, we are going to discuss the good news of the Chiliz. And first of all, I want to congratulate all of you, those people who's holding Chiliz. So very congrats, my friends. Anyways, before starting this video, you have to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos. If you subscribe my channel, so you will never miss any update about cryptocurrencies market. Let's see, my friends, the currently and latest price of the Chinese token it is time. You can see here 0.23 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the Chiliz. Furthermore, if we discuss the 24 hours trading volume of the Chiliz, market cap, total supply, available supply, everything is present on the front of your eyes. Let me show you the price chart. Wow, my friend, that's why I want to congratulate all of you, because the latest changes, the last 24 hours, the last 1 day, 1 hour, last 60-minute price change is positive. So now from yesterday, the price of the Chiliz start pumping, and the price of Chiliz is going to increase. So that's good news, my friends, for me and for you also. So my friends, at this time I'm recommending for everyone to please hold it. And absolutely, if you hold for long term, you will get a good amount of profit. And absolutely, Chiliz will make you millionaire if you hold for long term. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates video.